following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake Home and Garden Show. Well, everyone is just itching for spring to get here, and we all know we need the water these winter storms have produced, but it doesn't make shoveling the snow any more fun. What is fun, though, is planning for spring, and Cynthia Bee is here to help us. Welcome to the show, Cynthia.
Thank
so great to see you.
It's great to be back.
Absolutely. I'm excited about what we're going to talk about here today because everyone is really ready for spring.
So ready. We just need to see green, live things right now, so desperately.
Absolutely. And you have some tips to help us with that. So let's talk about landscapes at this show.
Yeah, so we've got a lot of great instructors that are going to be teaching at the Home and Garden Show. They're going to teach a lot about the local scapes method and plants that work in Utah. And the great thing about the garden stage at the show is everything being taught is what works here in this climate from our experts.
I love that. It's very specific to Utah itself, you know, the specific terrain, what grows, what works. And you guys also have rebates at the show. So how does that work?
Well, okay, so we're going to teach a lot of the methods and the things that you need, the local scapes method, and at the show, you're able to kind of walk around. There's real gardens. You can see green things, and we'll teach you ways to landscape your yard that will be qualified for the rebate program. So that's a new thing in Utah and is catching on like crazy. You know, whether people are flipping a park strip or doing larger projects. If you're landscaping your yard to match what works in Utah, there are rebates available for that. And the great thing at the home show is you'll be able to find all the people that can help you do the thing.
Right. You have the experts there. They make it so easy. You're walking around. If you're someone like me who's completely a novice, but I have big dreams for my garden someday, you guys are such a wealth of knowledge. It's amazing. When and where can people go to the home show?
So the home show will be Friday, March 10th through Sunday the 12th. And it's going on at the Southtown Expo Center, and there'll be lots of great things going on.
So exciting. So this weekend, very soon, and where can people get tickets?
You can get the tickets online or at the show.
Amazing. All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. And also, we want to talk about how you can enter to win the tickets. You can go to KUTV.com/contest. So that's just another win-win. So exciting.
It's a great way to go.
We appreciate you coming in. It's going to be so exciting this weekend. Thanks again, Cynthia.